How many videos have you watched today? No, seriously, open your mouth and let me know. You mean you've actually spent hours watching YouTube videos? Really? So you're going to watch another one after this one, and then all these videos down here, you're going to watch another one. Oh, wow. But what if I told you that you could be making money from this same platform? Because all this time that you've spent watching and consuming content, you haven't been making money. So, woman over 40, please gather round. It's time for us to sit down and have a talk because we need to stop consuming. It's time for us to start creating. YouTube is not just for the Gen Zs. Allow me to adjust this, okay? It's not just for Gen Zs. It's for everybody. YouTube is a gold mine for everyone to start making money. And now is even a more better time for us to start doing that. See, even if you watch hundreds and thousands of videos, which I am sure a lot of us will probably do in a day's time, it's not going to make you money. Nobody has ever come on here to say, I was watching YouTube videos and I made this amount of money. People always tend to say that I was creating content, I was making videos, and this is how much I have made. In fact, I went onto Google and I read a report. Google is saying that the ratio of consumers to creators is so low. There are only 5% of people on this platform that are creating content compared to the vast amount of people or amount of people who are just simply consuming. So why are you consuming? Besides, a lot of us are just consuming without taking notes. What has the consumption done for you? You're a woman over the age of 40, you're working, whether you enjoy your life or you're not, you're just consuming this content. You're watching other people make money while you just sit down on your mobile phone or you're sat down on your sofa. You're watching other people create a life that they love, create a life of their own dreams, and you're here just scrolling away and flicking from one channel to another. Come on, you can do better than that. You were made for more. You were created for more. A lot of people just watch videos without taking action. What do we think is going to happen? Yet you want a fabulous life. You want to be able to create this life of your dreams. Don't you think you can do it? You can actually acquire and realize that dream while on YouTube. And in fact, put money aside, on YouTube, you're able to become a better person because you will learn so much. You will learn a lot of skills. You can do that on YouTube. I'm not here to just sell YouTube to you. I think, like everybody else, I am speaking to women over the age of 40. If you have a job, there is life in your job. Actually, that's just an idea that's popped into my head. But I think people should create YouTube channels. Create what inspires you. Create what has not been created before that you would like to see. Create reminders for yourself. I spent the most part of yesterday watching YouTube videos, and that's why I'm creating this. So that the next time I have the same feeling, I can come back and watch this. And I'm enjoying watching myself now. You know, watching other people can be very inspiring, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't change your life. It's not going to move the needle. This is the time you need to make changes for your own life. And time is one of those important and valuable assets that we have to think twice. We have to be intentional about it. Are you using it to build your future? Are you using it to watch other people build their own future? Are you using it to watch other people create this reality for themselves? I've seen people move from mansion to bigger mansions. I've watched a lady, if you know Oma Bell TV on YouTube, this lady used to create video content in a small kitchen. If you have good spatial awareness, you will notice that she's moving from wall to wall, just creating amazing content from the comfort of her home. And please go and check our more recent videos and see what's happened. Go and see the changes that she has made to her life and to the life of her family members just from creating content on YouTube. There are numerous and countless creators on YouTube. I've started to make a list of women over the age of 40 that I think we should be watching that are doing amazing things on this platform. They're not just watching, they are creating. And I would like as many women over the age of 40 to start doing that. There aren't many of us. There really aren't. The only difference between you and the YouTuber who is making money is that they took action. Taking action helps you see where you're going because you will see clarity. And clarity comes from doing. You have to do the work in order to get clarity. YouTube is not just for young influencers. They're not just for people who say, oh, I'm pretty face. It's not. If that is not your thing, that is not your thing. I am not the bubbly one who will start with a fantastic hook to grab you. But I am for some people. I am for women over the age of 40. And if you're not doing something to create a flexible lifestyle for yourself, well, I'm hoping I'm here to inspire you. I'm here to encourage you to do that. It's YouTube is for anybody who's willing to share their knowledge, who is willing to share their skills, willing to share their story. I'm here willing to share my journey to creating a fantastic life for myself. And ultimately, to create a retirement out of this, I want to prove to other people that you can actually build a better retirement using YouTube as part of it. And I want to document my life along that journey. So there are 4 things I'm going to suggest to you in order for you to stop this doom scrolling before you watch the next video, which you'll probably click out of this one anyway. It doesn't matter. Somebody else will watch it or I will watch it, and that's great for me. But I want you to go and pick a niche. Think of something that you're passionate about, something you can talk about day in, day out, something people tell you, please shut up, something that you know gives you joy, puts fire in your belly. I want you to think about it and start from there. Just press record and record about it. Yes, there are strategies if you want to grow a lot quickly. That's something I'm coming to learn about, and I'll probably do a video about it. But you just need to start. Then you want to start simple. Start with simple videos. You don't need a lot of fancy equipment, as a lot of people say it. You can use your own mobile phone. You don't even need, sometimes for very good mobile phones, you don't need a microphone. You just need to have a clear message and deliver it concisely. Really. Then be consistent. Posting consistently looks different for everybody. No, not everyone is going to be perfect. I would love for this video to be perfect, but it's not, because if I wait for it to be perfect, I will not publish it. I won't put it out. My ums and I am learning to speak and to articulate my thoughts. This is all a work in progress. I hope you're learning from me, and then don't overthink it. Because if you overthink it, you won't get started. And I'm hoping that we create a community here of YouTubers, of women who are over the age of 40 who are building confidence on this platform. We want to start having classes on here. We want, just like TikTok, where there's TikTok, over 40 TikTok, I want over 40 YouTubers on here. There aren't enough of us, and I'm creating a list, as I said earlier on. Women over the age of 40, we have experiences. You may not think you do, but we do. You may think that you're stupid, but no, you are wise. You're full of wisdom. You may think that you don't know what you know, but you have your own unique perspective. The way that you speak, the way you talk, people want to hear from you. The way you speak speaks to other people, speaks to people like you. And I think that is what we're missing. And YouTube, we can create passive income. We can create a life that is flexible, a life of financial independence. I think that is what a lot of us are looking for. I can only imagine getting paid and doing something that I love, something that I enjoy, instead of watching other people create the life that they love. And I cannot wait to monetize this channel. So I hope that you're going to be creating more than you're watching, because if you are consuming more than you are creating, you're in deep trouble. You are in absolute deep trouble. So in the comment section, please do let me know what's stopping you. What do you see as your own barriers? What are your challenges? Maybe we can talk about it together. And I also want you to remember that time is valuable. You want to start using it to build your future. Everything that however you've spent your time up until this moment, this is the result of it. This is your own performance management of your own time, of how you spend your time. You want to use time to build your future, to build a future that you love, instead of just watching somebody else build their own or build theirs. So I know YouTube is full of creators who started with absolutely nothing. They started with nothing but one decision to just keep creating. So are you going to still keep watching? If you've watched me up until this moment, are you going to keep watching or will you start creating? I really want to know. So you make that decision and let us know.